how una dey? Una welcome to today Ogbonge News. My name is Philemon A.U. David, the Arimian one of the universe. My people, today we get Ogbonge News from one town now. Today news is dey prosperous. So make you listen very well so that you understand what we dey talk. My people, in case you never subscribe, it's time to do that without because you get so many things we will get for this our channel. We dey do what is they call film. We also dey do news. We dey do comedy. So any of them when you want to see, you go see them. As you subscribe, as we dey upload them, you go dey call your doorstep. You don't need to wait before we send it to you. That's the reason why you go subscribe maybe that one so that you will get the notification. And don't forget to on the notification bell so that the thing go dey come. My people, another big bonus that don't come out, so not be saying that, not be joke. When I say another big bonus, this one I think I laugh because this one is big. Now waiting me they call Pokoromiyo. I don't see many people don't understand that. Even know who are my church Pokoromiyos. You know go understand that. Not everything they use English talk. Even know who now they call Pokoromiyos. Now even that one. My people, this bonus now 2,400 euro to 3,600 euro. In between 2,400 euro to 3,600 euro. Now government just approved. But this bonus not be for everybody, but it's for most immigrants. When I say it's not for everybody, but it's for most immigrants, people will say, "Ah, what in they talk now? We don't understand." Make you break her down, make you see. My people, I go break her down. I carry hammer come when I go take pieces out, so that we understand how the matter they work. Follow me, make we work go inside. You understand? I don't say you don't subscribe. In case you never subscribe, put hand. Now the time it is, they give you say you will subscribe. Cost. That's for the 2,400 euro when you want up. Now the subscription I'll do my own for inside. I don't say some of you will understand. In fact, if you collect this 2,400 euro or 3,600, you not subscribe, I will bite your ear. True. I know this one will be joke, I will bite your ear. Because I want to tell you I will take collect time because I don't say many of you will collect the money, understand? Not will collect time. Okay, maybe they go inside. Maybe we see how the 2,400 euro they work out, they go. My people, let's go. Bonus 2,400 euro and 3,600 euro. Date requirement application 2021. Bonus 2,400 euro for seasonal workers and 3,600 euro bonus for sport collaborators. The latest news on requirement, amount, demand, and payment. The support decree confirmed the so-called COVID bonuses, indemnity for workers affected by the effect of the pandemic, providing for support measures ranging from 2,400 euro for seasonal and temporary workers up to 3,600 euro for workers in the sports sector who respect the expected requirement. The bonus 2,400 euros who is entitled to. The support decree provides for a 2,400 bonus for seasonal, intermittent, and occasional workers. The compensation will also be extended to workers in sectors particularly affected by the effect of the COVID pandemic. Social workers and temporary workers in the tourism and spa sector, seasonal employees belonging to sector other than tourism and terminal establishment, intermittent workers, occasional self-employed workers, workers in child of home sales, temporary workers in the tourism and spa sector, entertainment workers. Now you hear all the workers when we just mentioned, but I want to dwell on the one when we say it mostly affects the immigrants, which most this news concern. That one are the self-employed workers. So when we mention self-employed workers, you know that many people, most of our people who have a autonomy, so they declare themselves self-employed workers. So when we talk about self-employed workers, we are talking about people who have autonomy. So if you have an autonomy, this bonus is for you. So for those of you who have put your document on autonomy, you have the chance, the opportunity, the privilege to apply for this 2,400 euro. Your own is 2,400 euro. The 3,600 is for the people that work in sport. So don't go there and you say you are expecting 3,600 euro. So when you do the bonus now, at the end of the day, they give you 2,400. You will say that cheat because say you be black, because say you be this thing. They say 3,600. And you even talk and say that 3,600. If you are not working in sports, you are self-employed. That is the people when they be say they get autonomy. Expect 2,400 and it's a big money. So your own is 2,400, not be 3,600. It's a bonus that they say the government have approved to give people when it be say this Okoro not let see work, not let do anything. So now the people when it be say they get this real opportunity, now be that one. So my brother, my sister, in case be say you get autonomy, go and package all the things, go and package everything, package them, because I will soon tell you where you will go and how you will take go and package everything. As I talk to you now, arrange your file, arrange them, because 2,400 euro is knocking at your door. They knock. Open the door for me, open the door for me. You don't go open. I don't say go open now. So maybe we see the wakara, maybe they see how the matter they be for inside. My people, I don't say you they enjoy it. Maybe they go. Are you trying to enjoy it? Tell me the truth. You they enjoy it. You go enjoy it. Why not go enjoy it? Maybe they go to the other side. We're not gonna go. We will finish this one before we go to the other side. This like because person don't ask me say why you gonna go to the other side? We go finish and not worry. Just stay. Seasonal workers requirement. The support decree established the requirement for seasonal workers in the tourism sector and spa and for workers in administration to be able to access the bonus. Employees who have involuntarily terminated their employment relationship in the period between January 1st, 2019 and the date of entry into force of the sustaining decree, who have worked for at least 30 days in the said period, who are not pensioners, who are not holders of an employment relationship with the exclusive of an intermittent employment contract, that do not perceive the NASP bonus 2,400 euro payment by April 17. When does the payment of the 2,400 euro bonus for seasonal workers arrive? Here are the first hypotheses for the crediting of the one-time COVID indemnity. When does the payment of the 2,400 euro bonus for seasonal workers arrive? It remains one of the most popular questions after the support decree provide for new aid for the category contained in the urgent measure in the field of support to businesses and economic operators, work, health and local service connected to the COVID emergency-19. In this article, we have good news for those who must automatically receive one of COVID indemnity credit because in the past they have already collected the 1,000 euro bonus. So, for those of you when you be saying, you don't collect 1,000 euro bonus, I know say for some people when you be say they get autonomy, they pay some people 1,000 bonus before. So for those of people that when you be say that 1,000 bonus, you fair get them, you fair collect at that time, so they are going to pay you automatically. So you just get ready to receive it when the time comes, because from April 17, then they will roll out this money for people when you be say the matter they qualify for it. So when you be say they don't fair receive 1,000 before. I didn't say April 17 they will pay you. I say from April 17. Don't be say now when you don't reach April 17, the whole never come. Some people who don't come, you carry phone call me say wait till you talk. You say now April 17. But from April 17, the matter will be shared. So you will wait for your own. If na April 17 they give you, God bless you. If na 18, but your own will come. My brother, they say from April 17 they will start to roll out this payment for people who don't already forget receive 1,000 before, because your application when you take first submit that time they will use until pay you, because now autonomous now you fall into. So the people when you forget now you will be that one. But for those who will say they never forget or they want to apply, so maybe they go inside, maybe see when and how you take apply for your own, because you when you get your autonomous you need to get them if you never forget them before. Because this one is for people when they forget them, you get that 1,000, and the people when not feel get the 1,000, because they want to make everybody benefit for this 2,400 euro. Bonus 2,400 euro. When does the payment of the COVID indemnity arrive? The payment of the 2,400 euro bonus is expected by Saturday, 17 April 2021, and the date will vary from beneficiary to beneficiary, as has already happened for the previous COVID allowance aimed precisely at seasonal workers. It is more difficult, however, to imagine what the payment time will be for those who have to submit the application to receive the 2,400 euro bonus. As you probably know, in this case, the deadline for the application to be presented on the IMSS website is set for April 30th, 2021. So the accreditation will not be released before the beginning of May once the investigation is completed. So for those people when be, as I said before, for those people when it be say they don't forget the 1,000, from April 17 on Saturday they will start to pay you. It then vary, so the payment for each of the applicants. Now for those who be say they never forget that 1,000 and they must get this 2,400 euro, so you need to submit your application. Then when do you submit the application? You submit it on the IMSS website. I know say so many of you cannot do it, so if you know if you do it, so softly carry your credential, that's all your document when you be say your ISE, your partita, and every other document that you have along yourself to CAF office. So CAF will now help you to submit it in IMSS website. It must be submitted through IMSS website. So CAF will now help you. You go to the CAF will near you, the CAF will help you to do this submission. They will submit the application between now till on the 30th of April. When it past 30th of April, I am sorry my brother, I am sorry my sister, you will miss this 2,400 just the way you miss the 1,000 euro. So if you don't want to miss this 2,400, find time, find days, find time, find days, find chance to go, because you need them. I know say you need them. It's 2,400. Make a repeat again, 2,400 euro. So you go and submit this thing, but we cannot tell you now, because the day when it be say the thing it will come your own, because you just submit it. But I can't tell you the date when it be say it will come, because they never actually tell the date it will come. But it must reach April. May. It must reach May, because we are submitting between now till April 30th. So everybody that submit from now till April 30th, they will have to review it and investigate the matter within that May before they can answer you. But for here, if they don't still tell us the time when it be say it will take come, I go let you know. You know, say the government will only call my number. So whenever they just call the number, tell me say the matter don't say. Tell your people say the matter don't say. Fast, the first thing when I will do, I will come tell you say government don't call me say the matter you don't say not they say whether I get the government number. Now your government, we know they know us. Not be say they pay, you understand? Now only call they call, tell me say make I give information. So when they call, I will let you know say they don't call me again, say the team is not ready, so that you will go and collect your own, or they will send your own to you the way when they send the rest to other people. My people, if you never, I don't really talk, if you never do your exam, go and do one more, because I don't know the kind of bonus where I'll constantly tell you tomorrow. Go and do your exam. It is good though. Go and do it now. Now the matter, as they work out, maybe this one, we see the work out, because there's some news when we still get for inside this pipeline in the person. They work out, they go. My people, now so we see this news reach. Now we say we can tell now say the bonus when it be say day, it really day true the matter and go share it. So in case you never subscribe for our YouTube, now the time to do that one be this one, so that when we come tell now when the matter take set, when the money will take day, when they will take pay you, so that you will get them. You will get them sharp, you don't go miss some, so that you will not say your money already, then you go collect them. And in case you never follows us in all our social media handle, AU David is the name. Please, on YouTube, yeah, you already know say YouTube now, AU David TV. On Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and on our website is audavidtv.com. audavidtv.com. You can go there and read all this article we are telling you. We have them on the write up for you there. You go to audavidtv.com, www.audavidtv.com on our website. Even on the WhatsApp, just type AUDV. The thing, you go to show, share it, you go see it as we drop out. My people, and so we can see and reach, make we go to the other news.